Yeah, what's up, YouTube? Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Antoine with Sometimes Production. Hey, I got a new news blog where I got world news being broadcast every day, all day. So I'd appreciate it if you guys would subscribe to my channel and join my news feed. And if you see an ad you like, click on it. No pressure, just asking. I do make money off the ads. That's why I'm asking. If you see something you like, click on it, explore it, find out more, and let's have a good day. But I have investing, cryptocurrency, personal finance, stock market news, and make money options. And here's some of the ads right here. This one is just Tank. It's a game. I'm not sure if it's a play to earn game or not, but it's a game. And so I mean, here's what I got here. Here's some of the articles. So I hope you guys find something you like, and I ask if you do find something you like, that if you like my blog, that you visit it daily, all day, every day. You know what I'm saying? And if you need help on setting up your own crypto news blog or investing blog or something like this, let me know, and I can help you get this off the ground and monetize and all that. There is a founder's fee, just to let you know. But I can help you guys do the same stuff I'm doing right now. And I'm waiting on Bitcoin to get below 10,000 before I start investing. And I'm hoping that Ethereum gets down to $200 because I'm gonna just buy like crazy. In 2018, Ethereum got to $99, and I don't know why I didn't buy 30 of them. I don't know why I didn't, but I'm hoping it comes back down to at least two, $300, $500, and put some bread in that in Ethereum, Bitcoin, Vote, um, Yoshi, ADA, Uniswap. Those are the tokens that I'm watching. Even hot Bitcoin, HCB. I got my eyes on that one as well. My brother was talking to me last night about Elon Musk coin, or the Elon Musk Doge, Elon Musk Doge long, Elon, something like that coin. So I'm gonna put a position in that when Bitcoin gets below 10,000. So if you like me, don't invest right now. Just wait till Bitcoin finds its bottom, and it's gonna find its bottom around between 8 to 10,000. So that's when you want to jump in and start investing. But if you're interested, I can um I can get you guys set up on a platform that I'm using called Midas Investment. Um, I had quite a bit of Bitcoin and Ethereum in here a few months ago, and I cashed out to take care of some stuff I had to take care of. So I just left. The rest I put over on USDC because Tether's doing what it was doing back in 2018. There was a bunch of concern about Tether not gonna make it as a stable coin because they didn't know what was actually backing it, and those talks have resurfaced again in 2022, 4 years later. But this company right here, Midas Investment, they have been out since 2018. They came out during the bear market when Bitcoin went from 20,000 to 3,000 a coin, and they weathered the storm. Now these guys' rates at first I was getting 24.5%, I think, on Tether, and no, I was getting 18 or 19% on Ethereum, and 15% on 14 or 15% on Bitcoin a couple months ago. But they've been changing the rates. It done finally stabilized at 14.5% for USDC and 10.6 for Ethereum. And 9.4% for BTC. That's still real good. It's just the problem with Bitcoin right now. If you got it, I hope you sold before it reached down to 20,000 at the current price that it's at now. It's 20,000 and some change. But the point is, you want to get out of Bitcoin and Ethereum and put it in a stable coin like USDC, and you earn staking rewards every day. Let me show you what's on. Even with this little bit, I'm mining Bitcoin with my computer, and I just sent over. I just withdrew this today. It wasn't Bitcoin. Cent and a half, almost a cent and a half a day, every day. Right now, I was making 10 cents a week, but now I'm making 11 cents a week. So I mean, you have to once you get once you, I'm testing out this platform for the past 5 months, I think 5 or 6 months, and everything's been working out good. I've had withdrawals, and I'm on everything. I withdrew everything from all that I had taken, and it went through perfectly fine. So that's a plus, and they've been paying on time for the last 5 years and giving out staking rewards to the investors this whole time. So if you guys want, you can look them up, and if you don't mind, if you could sign up under my affiliate link, and let's build our own empire together and make this passive cash during this bear market. See, the reason I'm going to the stable coins is because now next month I'm gonna be dumping Lord willing more cash in USDC, and I'm gonna just keep putting bread into it so I can keep getting that passive income because it's compounding. And the other sweet thing about this here is too, I don't know if you can see this or not, but look at this. Look at it's compounding right here. It was 300, and then 800 the next day, then 300, 5,300. Then I don't know what the reward is for tomorrow. Anyway, I'll give you an example down here. This one's 1700, then that one's a 2200, then 28, then 32, 37, 43, 48, then 53. It's already compounding itself, so it's going up even more every day. With so little that I got in there, I only got like 42 bucks in there, 42 and some change, and I'm making 11 cents a week off of that. So let's see how much money that is. That's $40.15 a year. I'll just my bad. I'm sorry. I got to put the wrong mathematics in. $5.72. Yeah, it's $5.72. So every $42 that you put into this account, you're gonna make $5.72 a year in interest. So that's 11 cents a week. So it's a little over a cent a day. So hopefully that gives you some understanding of how much you gotta invest. So if you want to make like 3,000 a day, you gotta invest um quite a bit of money, a lot. So I would set your goals realistically, unless you're well, which if you're well, you're already probably using this platform or another staking platform, getting that passive cash. Whatever you do, if you need help with investments, I'm about to get back more frequently on making videos. I just been experimenting with other things and making money passively. I got quite a bit of ways that I'm making money off my computer. It's chump change, but it's adding up. You know what I'm saying? And that's what the point is to make consistent cash. Is to be like how water is with stone. Like, in caves, the water just drips constantly. But over time, it destroys those stone rocks. And I understand that that's how God's word is. You know what I'm saying? How he is with his left hand. He overwhelms us. So when you get like the earth, the people that inhabit the earth, our brothers and sisters that are righteous and unrighteous, are suffering. The righteous are about to start getting blessed, whereas the wicked, those that have broke the commandments of the sovereign Lord Yahweh, are about to get punished. And the signs are everywhere. You know what I'm saying? It's just everywhere. I mean, you can just see it. But the point is, you want to take and invest, get to making consistent cash. Since Bitcoin is going down, my mining rewards are dropped down drastically because Bitcoin is falling drastically. So I'm not making as much money per week as I was, a month ago or 3 weeks ago. It's just been going down rapidly for the past month, 6 months, which is cool. I already expected. I knew Bitcoin was going to get down to 10,000. Last November is when I found out. So I told a couple people on YouTube and different channels I was visiting that Bitcoin's going down to 10,000. Last year in December, I was telling guys I was researching data, looking at charts, checking out liquidities because there's a lot of money. There's a lot of money right now parked at the $10,000 for Bitcoin, and it's been like that for months. If you study liquidity, you'll know what the market makers are planning to do next over time. I mean, it's just like we're gonna go through these fake punks with Bitcoin the next couple of weeks and months. It's gonna go down a lot, then go up a little bit. People get excited, start investing money because they think it's gonna run, but it's a fake pump. It's gonna do that until for a while. You know what I'm saying? All year long. Next year it'll go up a little bit more, but it's not gonna. Don't expect the bull market until 2025. No USDC, have as much fiat as you can in USDC and compound it. I mean, if you put $10,000 in there in USDC, you're gonna make $1,400 and 1,450 bucks a year in in interest. You know what I'm saying? So you get into dollars that you make in a day. You know what I'm saying? Like 3 or 4 bucks a day. So you want to keep putting in money. I mean, if you can put 50,000 in there, you're gonna get over 7,000, over 8,000 a year in interest with 50,000. So that's the type of cash it takes. The game is designed for the wealthy, the whales. It's not designed for the poor. The poor, the only way you get the big boys, the whales, get in with the big whales is by constantly investing your chump change. That's why I started this channel in 2018 or 2017 to help investors make big gains with chump change. 'Cause that's all I do is spend chump change to make lots of money or decent money. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't take a lot of money to pull it off. You just got to buy at the right time. The object of the game is to buy low and sell high. The price is low, so make positions, get some to secure your position so you can have it. But know you're gonna lose another 50 to 60% to 90% where you buy it now because Bitcoin is gonna drop by another 10 to 12 grand in the next 6 months. Within the next 6 to 8 months, it's gonna be down there. So, you buy on the dip and balance out through the cost of average when you buying in, and then when the bull market come in 2025, Lord willing, we'll all be sitting pretty. So if you listen to me and you use this platform, you research them and you do your due diligence and only invest what you can afford. And by this time next year, you should have a substantial amount of coinage, worth Bitcoin and Ethereum and different altcoins, that when the bull market runs, the bull market comes, and the run with Bitcoin, you'll be seriously wealthy. So I mean, I'm waiting on sheep to get down to like $1 or 50 cents per million before I put it in a position. I sold the almost 300 million I had, and I got like 56 million left. And the only reason I haven't sold that is because it's locked up at Shiba Swap. So I'm planning on getting ready to withdraw that here soon, in the next couple of weeks, Lord willing, or next month, and cash it out before it goes down too low. Because I think I still got like $300 or $400 in it right now, but I only paid like $400 or $800, $1,200 almost for the 280 million that I had. You know what I'm saying? I got it low, but I'm looking to get billions for the low. You know what I'm saying? I want to get billions for the low, and I'm staking it. Like I'm staking some right now, and I'm staking in two different places. But I'm just looking to get a real good deal. I'm trying to get everything at a greatly discounted. You know what I'm saying? Because right now you can get a billion shares of Yoshi for like 98 bucks. That's the kind of deal I'm looking for with Shiba. You know what I'm saying? I want to get a billion shares for $98. You know what I'm saying? That's like what, 8 cents and some change per million. I mean, that's how I want it. I mean, like almost 8 cents a billion, a million. Yeah, I think it is 8 cents a million. 8 cents and some change a million. Whatever. I want it. I want to be able to get, you know what I'm saying, 100 million for $1 or $8. That's my target. $1 or $8 for 100 million. So, you know what I'm saying? Get a billion for $100. That's the kind of deal I'm looking for. I'm waiting for the blood to intensify on the streets. I want the investors panicking, scared out of their minds, just like they were in 2018. You know what I'm saying? Because I made, even during the bear market of 2018, you know, I said I made money during the bear market. You know what I'm saying? So let's uh let's implement the plan. And that's about all I got to say to you guys. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks for listening. Please subscribe, like, comment, and have a good day. Thanks. Bye.